Welcome to Lyra Tech, where we break down the latest tech to help you make informed decisions. Today, we are diving into the Wybot C2 cordless pool vacuum, a robot designed to keep your in-ground pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's explore the core cleaning capabilities and how effectively the Wybot C2 manages to navigate and cover your entire pool. This robotic pool cleaner truly focuses on getting the job done right. It combines powerful suction with an intelligent movement system to ensure no spot is missed, giving you a crystal clear pool. The Wybot C2 boasts strong cleaning power with its 3 brushless motors, delivering robust suction for a deep clean and efficient scrubbing of pool walls and steps. Its intelligent navigation system and built-in gyroscope allow it to follow optimized paths, ensuring comprehensive coverage of up to 152 square feet per cycle with a generous 180-minute runtime. The dual filtration system, featuring a 10-micron ultrafine filter and a 180-micron primary filter, is designed to capture everything from large leaves to fine dirt, leaving your water truly clear. Overall, the Wybot C2 excels in its core cleaning duties, offering robust suction, smart navigation, and an effective dual filtration system to keep your pool immaculate. Next, let's dive into how user-friendly the Wybot C2 is in day-to-day operation and assess the overall value it offers for its price. The Wybot C2 aims to simplify your pool maintenance routine with smart automation and a hassle-free design. It promises to save you time and effort every time you clean your pool. Being completely cordless is a massive advantage, freeing you from the hassle of managing cables, preventing tangles, and making deployment and retrieval much simpler. The robot supports Bluetooth control, features 7 cleaning modes, and conveniently auto-parks at the pool edge when its battery runs low or cleaning is complete, making it easy to retrieve. Its cordless design and auto-parking feature contribute significantly to an easy daily ownership experience, simplifying the entire cleaning cycle from start to finish. Considering its advanced navigation, powerful cleaning, and cordless convenience, the Wybot C2 offers a compelling value proposition at its current price, especially for a feature-rich robotic pool cleaner. Ultimately, the Wybot C2 offers a high level of convenience with its cordless design and smart features, representing good value for those with in-ground pools, despite some limitations. The Wybot C2 stands out as a strong contender for in-ground pool owners seeking intelligent, automated cleaning. Its powerful dual filtration, smart navigation, and cordless design deliver a compelling blend of performance and convenience. While the price is a consideration, the current deal offers significant value for those ready to invest in a hands-free pool maintenance solution. It's a great choice if you prioritize smart features and effortless operation for your pool.